All right, it's cold outside. 34 degrees. We managed to stay above freezing in Lexington, but not by much. And there's still time to get a little colder out there. And it's not just at freezing or just above it. There are folks below it. 27 in Monticello, 28 in Covington, and Mount Sterling at 30. So this is the reason you don't set plants out early, or you got to be ready to drag them in because you get these cold mornings. Our freeze warning still in effect this morning for a little bit longer with those mid to upper 20s that we're seeing out there, and a lot of folks around freezing. But you pop west, on the flip side, there's also a frost advisory that goes in the counties not under the freeze warning from Frankfort all the way back to Paducah due to that potential for widespread frost this morning. So a cold morning, but we'll end up mitigating it with highs around 60 degrees later on today, and that's just the beginning of the warm-up. So good news there. You're seeing the formative stages of what could be an extended bout and a major round of winter weather brewing for the Great Lakes. We're going to talk more about that throughout sunrise. There's good news for spring break vacationers down across southeastern states, I should say, and down towards Florida. The rain's finally letting up there, and we've got this ridge of high pressure that's tracking in and keeping things beautiful the next couple of days. And when you've got a high building in, that means sunshine. But it also means a wind shift. So that north to northwesterly wind we've been experiencing as the high approaches is eventually going to shift over to the south-southwest as that high pushes toward mid-Atlantic states, which means we got a warm-up on the way, and it'll be a big-time warm-up. On top of that, though, it'll be really gusty. So these are forecast wind gusts. The threshold for a wind advisory, you want to get up closer to about 40 miles per hour. We're going to be popping south to southwesterly wind gusts into Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, around 30 to maybe 35, pushing 40-mile-per-hour gusts. So we may end up with a wind advisory out of it. We've definitely got an increased fire danger, so we have a fire weather watch out, red flag watch, which means the combo of low humidity, this very dry air, and gusty wind could lead to wildfire danger, so watch out for that south and east. But it's going to be beautiful, even though it's gusty. I mean, look at that, 60 to 70s to maybe pushing 80 degrees by Friday. That is where the temperature maxes out because we get hit with that round of showers and storms over the weekend. You can clearly see the temperature tumble. Pretty typical for this time of the year, the big ups and downs, but the down will be a shower and storm chance over the weekend, and then, of course, the cool down late in the weekend. So the good news, at least at the short term, to go along with the warm-up, Thursday and Friday, and today, things are looking dry, and we're just going to get warmer and warmer. Snow stats, popping that up. Yeah, our average last measurable snowfall, March 22nd. Nobody wants to think about that. There's the potential out there, at least across the Great Lakes, that there may be a little bit of winter weather on the tail end of what's coming in over the weekend. And as I said, we'll talk about a little bit of a teaser for you. We'll talk about that coming up. Mostly sunny. Warming up, breezy this afternoon. It will get gusty. For today, it's just a bit of a breeze, a southwest wind, 10, 15 miles per hour. Pretty pleasant. Upper 40s tonight, nowhere near freezing. Tomorrow, here we go, 70s. 2 straight days, way above average highs. Our average high today is in the mid-60s. We're going to blow that out of the water Thursday and Friday. And here you go, Saturday into Sunday. Showers, maybe some strong storms into Saturday night. And then lingering showers Sunday. Look at that moisture in the early Monday morning. Lingering rain showers, and yeah, those are lows in the mid-30s. So, yeah, not exactly a clear-cut shot of getting anything going beyond rain, but maybe just a hint of something at the tail end. We'll dig a little farther into that in your next forecast.
Okay, Tom, thank you. It's 5:18 this morning. Well.